start this off, we're going to grab our category 3 yarn, make a slip knot, grab our 4mm hook, and make a chain that's long enough to fit around your torso. And as a reference, mine is 17 inches. Once we have our chain, we're going to block off the last chain that we did. We're going to chain up 3. This counts as a double crochet. And then we're going to prepare for a double crochet and go ahead and double crochet once into that loop that we blocked off, or the 4th loop from the hook. And we're going to go all the way down with double crochets once in every loop. Once we get down to the bottom, we're going to chain up 3, flip our work, and then double crochet back. And I'm going to keep double crocheting until I have a piece that's roughly 5 inches long. And once we have our 5-inch block, I went ahead and cut and tied. And then what we have to do after that is find out where our cups are going to be. I went ahead and found the middle. And then from there, I measured from the middle outwards. And I measured out 6 inches to both sides. And then I put markers. And then just to double check, I counted out, make sure that they had the same amount of loops, because I don't want one cup to be bigger than the other. But once we have that, we're going to go ahead and insert our hook into the middle. We're going to grab our yarn, and then we're going to make a slip knot, insert it onto our hook, and then we're going to chain up 3 because this is going to count as a double crochet. And from here, we're just going to do 1 row of double crochet all the way down until we get to this other marker. Once we've done our first row of double crochet, we're going to start working on the cup, and it's going to come up to a peak. So what we're going to do from here is chain up 3, flip our work, and our first one is going to be a decrease. So we're going to insert our hook into the first loop, yarn over, pull through, insert our hook into the second one, yarn over, pull through. We're going to pull through 3 loops on the hook and then 2. And then we're going to double crochet once into every loop that we have, and then leaving 3 loops on the end so that we can do another decrease. So I left 3 loops at the end. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, insert our hook into the second loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is our decrease. And then put 1 more double crochet at the very end. And once we're here, we're going to chain up 3, flip our work, and then do more rows of decrease until this cup comes to a peak. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you once when we're done with both cups. So we just got done with 1 cup. We haven't even started the second one yet, but I realized that this is the perfect time to just go ahead and start the back strap. So I'm going to go ahead and make a chain that's roughly 17 or 18 inches, and then I'm going to cut that and then do this cup and then make the chain as well. So this is what we have so far. We have cups, body portion, and the neck straps. And then next we're going to be working on the side panels. So from here we're going to grab one of the sides. It doesn't matter which one. Go ahead and insert your hook. You're going to make a slip knot with your yarn, and you're going to pull it through the loop that you're in, and you're going to chain up 3. This counts as a double crochet, and we're just going to be doing 1 row of double crochet into each of these side double crochets that we have. And if you guys don't know how many to put, go ahead and just put 2 double crochets into each of these sides that we have until we get to the other end. Once we have our row of double crochet, we're going to do a row of shells, and then that's going to be how we tie in this top into the other side. So we're going to chain up 3, flip your work. You're going to prepare for a double crochet. You're going to skip 2 loops. You're going to do 2 double crochet into that 3rd loop. And then you're going to chain up 3. Then you're going to do 2 more double crochet into the same loop that you're in. And that is our first shell. We're going to prepare for a double crochet, skip 2 loops, go into the 3rd one with 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 more double crochet. And we're going to keep with this pattern all the way down, and we're going to do the same thing that we did here on the other end. Once we're done doing the side panels, the last things that we have to do are the straps that go around the cup. And then from here, from the bottom of this corner to up here, I measured 1 inch, and then from the opposite strap I measured up 1 inch as well. Then I laid everything out as flat as I could, and I measured from this marker to this marker, and this is going to be 7 inches. And so from here we're just going to insert our hook and then make a chain that's 7 inches and then connect it to this chain. And then from there we're going to do the same thing, measure out 1 inch here, 1 inch here, connect, and then from the same inch that we measured out here, measure out 1 inch here. And then so we're going to have these straps that crisscross and then these on the outside. And this is our top once we have all the straps sewn in. And the last thing that we have to do is actually just make a strap that's long enough so that I can weave in and out of these shells that we made, and mine's going to be roughly 60 inches. So I just finished making the back strap, and I've woven in all the ends as well, and this is our top all finished. Thank you so much for watching. If y'all recreate this, be sure to tag me on Twitter and Instagram at TCDDIY, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.